How can I create a social media strategy to promote my fair and engage with attendees before, during, and after the event? One thing we're big about here at Fusion is building your database. So building your database of emails, because once you have somebody's email, you can keep, interacting with them for years and years to come. Specifically through social media, people want to feel a part of your fair. They want to feel like they have the inside scoop. It's really as simple as taking your phone, taking your camera, just like I'm doing right here, and taking it, flipping it around, and just recording yourself walking through the fair, walking through fair setup, walking through all the different animal aisles. Just flip the camera, maybe it's you, showing them how you organize vendors or how you put tickets on sale. Like, just give them the behind the scenes scoop. People love to see what's actually behind the scenes. They don't just want to see this facade, right? We all want to know what's actually going on. During the fair, same thing. Walk around your fair, do a live, just post videos of you walking throughout the fair. People love that. After the event, a great way to engage on social media is having people post their favorite picture from the fair, or take a poll of their favorite thing that they did while at the fair. I mean, we overthink social media and how to engage. Just flip the camera around and just be real. That's all you gotta do. Just be real.